Good evening, madam. Good evening,
Good
all
evening.
my friends. Good evening, all my friends.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, really, it is a very wonderful day. Actually, initially, I tried to postpone for a next batch. So, because of Supriya ji and Aparna ji, Josephine ma'am, all are encouraged me, and Purni madam also given a more support. That's why I'm doing this course. Actually, really, it's very amazing. So these kind of what are the subject we learned? So never seen in any BA, BSc, any degree, any BE, never seen any university. It's actually it is a valuable and it is very required for every human being. So thank you, Purani madam, for giving this opportunity. So really, it's amazing. One of my experience I want to share with you all. Actually, in there's a one session called Wealth Mastery. In that session, simply Purani madam sent just a small SMS. Okay, virtual money I am sending you. Just send a SMS. You utilize this amount. Just madam sent a message only, and it's a miracle. Within a week time, I got 1 lakh rupees, and that also one of my reliable sources. I got the amount. Next 2 years, I can use this amount without interest. No need to give any interest. So now I'm utilizing this amount as madam told now. That's I'm tracking what are the expenses. It's a really miracle. Okay, thank you, madam.
Wow.
Everyone is saying a wow loud for this.
Wow.
Wonderful.
And second, one more thing. And then self-mastery, there's a one. There's a power for any negative words. Positive words have some power, and negative words also having some power. Just you try that, like that madam told, and a small two boxes, glass boxes I have put rice, and every day night 9 o'clock. So in positive box I'm saying positively, and that negative words, what are the negative I'm having, I'm abusing that one. So within a week time, there's a miracles I have seen. There is a lot of changes. Nothing has happened for any positive boxes. Nothing happened, but negative boxes, it's totally spoiled. Now I am not only my family, with my office staffs and my friends and near colleagues, everyone I said. So everyone is very annoyed this incident. So this is also one of second experience. And thank you, madam, for this arranging for that. Thank you for everyone. I thank you all the madams. I thank you.